Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about equal.com reviews, and in this video I'll also help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website. It is an online shopping store, guys, that deals with multiple bags including leather bags, women's leather bags, men's leather bag, knife leather bag rolls, and best deals forever. So you can check out the product category list by visiting the menu option button or by visiting the exclusive collection of the products. So you can take a look at the product list. Now talking about the payment information, so at the bottom of the web page you can take a look that the modes of payment that are available on the site are Amex, Apple Pay, GPay, Mastercard, PayPal, Visa, etc. Now guys, talking about the shipping policy, you need to visit the shipping policy page given in the menu option button, and they have mentioned that items usually take around 2 to 4 days to arrive at your destination. Apart from that, it may also took 5 days. And guys, even though they strive to surprise their clients with a 1 to 2 day delivery window. So this was the shipping info. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. Talking about the domain information, it was created on 28th of February 2021. Guys, the site is a 1 month old website, or you can say the domain name was created only 1 month ago. So we can't claim this site legit on the basis of the domain age factor. Now talking about the company's information, you need to check out the menu option button and you need to click are you a brand. So here they have provided the business offering information, but no info is available regarding the business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is a negative sign. Now apart from that, contact us information. So they have provided the contact info including email address and contact number at the bottom of the web page in the menu option buttons. So the email matches with the domain name, which is a positive sign. They have also provided the contact number, but they have not provided the company's official address, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, guys, this site has too low traffic, or you can say none at all, because the trust index score of the site is too low, which is 2%, and this website is ranked 0 among millions of other websites as this is a newly launched website. So guys, these are the loopholes. Apart from that, talking about the social media presence, you can take a look that no icon is available on this website. It means that the site has no social media presence at all, which is a negative sign. Now talking about the return policy of this website, you need to check the return policy. So their policy lasts for 30 days, guys, and I request you all to share your experience or comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. Now guys, talking about equal.com reviews, we have found some positive reviews on the official website, but no reviews are available regarding this website on the internet. And let me show you the customer reviews, guys. So here you can see based on 418 reviews, they have mentioned the positive testimonials, but no negative comment is available on the official website, guys, which makes a confusion regarding the legitimacy of this website. So yes, it's totally up to you. On the basis of loopholes and on the basis of various website factors, we can conclude this review by saying that you need to wait for some time, as this is 1 month old website, so we can't claim this site legit or scam on the basis of its domain age as well. So guys, we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order, and I request you all to share your experience with this website so that other customers can get to know about the website legitimacy. Guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.